You ever notice how, in photos of New York from the 1950s, almost everyone was slim and active? No diet apps, number 24-hour gyms. It was just a way of life that kept people naturally fit. The simple solution I discovered comes straight from those lost habits, and today, I'll show you how to bring them back into your daily routine. But before diving into details, let me tell you something real. I spent years stuck in that cycle, trying endless diets, weighing every bite, starving myself at night, and waking up exhausted. I felt like a zombie at work, too drained to enjoy time with my family. Looking in the mirror was frustrating. The same stubborn belly, the same tired face. If you've been there, you know how that feels. That pain pushed me to go back to the basics, to understand what healthy people did before diet trends took over. Here's the first step, inspired by classic New York. Eat like they did in the 50s, adapted to today's world. Instead of processed meals, go for whole grains like brown rice or oats, seasonal vegetables, and a simple protein like eggs, shredded chicken, or canned tuna. You'll feel full sooner, stabilize your blood sugar, and reduce stubborn belly fat. And it doesn't stop there. In 1950s America, people walked more, climbed stairs, and did manual work. You can replicate that today. Park farther away. Take 5-minute breaks to dance in your living room, or always choose the stairs. Just 1 week of that, and I was more energized, in a better mood, and my jeans started to loosen. No gym needed. Those 2 shifts changed everything for me. And trust me, anyone can do this, starting tomorrow. No expensive tools. No wasted time. And to make sure it's not just theory, I'm going to show you, right now, how to prepare the dinner plate and performance shot in under a minute, step by step. Super simple. Now, let's get to it. 2 practical habits you can adopt today. No crazy diets, no gym, and start feeling the difference immediately. Smart dinner after 7 p.m. Instead of heavy carbs, go for lean protein plus green vegetables. Why it works? It reduces insulin spikes at night, balances your sleep hormones, and speeds up belly fat burning. What I did, I swapped out pasta for a colorful omelet. After just 3 days, I felt less bloated and more focused. Morning performance shot. In a glass of warm water, mix juice of 1/2 lemon plus 1 tsp apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cayenne pepper, plus a bit of turmeric. Why it works? It jumpstarts digestion, boosts your metabolism, and wakes up your nervous system, all without overloading your cortisol like coffee. What I did, I made it a daily ritual. The result? Stable energy all day, and a lightness I could literally see in the mirror. These are tiny daily adjustments, not about starving yourself, just choosing what works. Today's challenge. Try these 2 techniques tomorrow and tell me how you feel in the comments. And since we're talking real transformation, in the next video, I'll share more powerful recipes and habits that will change everything you thought was impossible to fix. You'll see real results within just a few weeks, from breakfast to bedtime. So, did you like these simple tips that can transform your life? Subscribe and hit the bell to catch the next practical habits. Like this video if you're already doing some of these or starting today. Comment 1 for smart dinner or 2 for natural movement. I want to know your pick. Share this with someone always complaining about the scale. Let us bring back that classic 50s health together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, change can be simple, 1 habit at a time. Big hug.